Met with a road traffic accident whilst crossing a road, and this is the X-ray. So, how would you want to investigate? Take a mic. Satish?
Hello. Yeah, I would like to do a CT scan and to see the intraarticular involvement.
Okay.
Which the columns are involved.
Yes.
So that I can decide on the fixation.
Further course of action.
Yeah.
Okay. No major comorbidities, and that's the full length X-ray. We are doing one joint below also. Hip is normal. Okay. So fair enough. You ask for a CT, you get a CT. These are the axial cuts. Want to say anything? Aage aana hai? You want to come ahead?
So the anterolateral
and posterolateral.
This is anterolateral.
Yeah. So anterolateral is involved, and I think posterolateral, if you see on the right.
Even posterior is involved, if you see this.
Yeah.
So looking at the axials and as per the 3-column classification,
Correct.
what would you want to do?
I would want to put a posterior plate first and then go for the anterolateral fixation.
Okay, fair. I'll give you some more imaging. The coronal images, badly
There's a
comminuted.
depression also.
So, what kind of classification would you say as per the 3-column classification? Is it 3-column, 2-column? See, you have two cortices is broken. Yeah? Plus, on the axial you saw the posterior column is also gone.
So 3 columns.
So, you will need 3 plates.
Correct.
Ideally.
Ideal.
Yeah, but we don't live in an ideal situation. So anyhow, coming next, these are the 3D images. Yeah, this is a long tongue kind of fracture, and I think they are just magnified images. And more important, now this is the condition of this gentleman. This is day 1. What would you do now? Now he's come to you. This is in the casualty.
Put an X-fix for now. Give him limb elevation. Give.
What kind of a X-fix would you? You'll span the knee. You'll go take the femur.
Yeah, femur
Yeah.
and the.
Which
Okay.
institute are you working in?
Bombay Hospital, sir.
You all do X fixes?
Yeah. For
For
bad.
primary this like this?
Yeah.
Patient agrees?
Yes.
Wow.
I am very sorry.
Valid confession.
I am very concerned
Yeah,
with
that's
this.
true.
It is all good to write
On-
X
and
fix this
exactly.
that, but in
Yeah, that's
reality
true.
and in
That's true.
practice, it
It's
doesn't
different.
work out. that.
I completely
all of
agree with sir.
We can give an AK slab.
No, I agree. Yeah.
We can give
Fair,
the
fair.
reduction. We can give an
Absolutely.
AK slab with limb elevation, ice fermentation,
don't
and
think-
watch for
I would be
skin
surprised
condition.
Anybody would agree for an X fix?
Yeah. It's
Everyone agrees, but a few do.
Sir,
very.
I would
agree
like
with
to add to this. If proper counseling is done, if the patient is kept in proper loop and explained why we are doing this, then I doubt that if they deny it, that we don't want to. I work in a corporate hospital, and we have that class of patient where they would not want to agree. But if well counseled, I guess it should be fine.
Do you have a softer option? Do you really need to put such a X-fix? I mean, there's
This
no. I mean,
is not that bad. A skin.
precisely. The whole question. I mean, you doing it is different, and you convincing, but whether the patient really needs it. Okay, so that was my next
Sir,
question.
So
Yeah, bol.
I would go for a calcaneum traction
Fair.
for some
I mean,
days.
Fair. The patient was slightly hesitant to do anything interventional except for a definite thing. So we had to concede to his
The question
demand.
is, how long do you wait?
Yeah. Now I'm coming. Okay, so we discussed on this. Somebody said calcaneal traction. Somebody said an X-fix. Sir and I probably would want a slab or something like that, or a brace. So that's day 1. That's day 5. See this, and this doesn't augur too well.
Yeah.
Don't be in a hurry to go in and prove yourself. Okay, this patient, we sent him home because of financial reasons. Okay, I had a ward boy who would go every day regularly, see him, send me pictures which we would monitor, including his daughter would show me that he's moving his toes, everything is okay. Here, two things I'm looking out is the circulation and the compartment, because that's a disaster. And if the wound is progressing or getting worse, If that happens, of course, then you need to involve a plastic guy, and then X-fix, etc. is justified. Now, this was day 10 and 13. So, just a comparison how we started here. Now, if you see, I mean, this is probably showing more, but the soft tissue were settling down, blisters were settling. We had put Bitarine and Gelonet or Bactigra dressing. So now, how would you want to, the skin has started wrinkling, everything is settled down. How would you all want to proceed now?
You can have the X-ray.
Ek minute, I'll go back. I'll go back. Yeah, now.
The triple column injury.
Yeah.
Yes.
Big, huge, lateral fragment.
So we have one huge tongue-shaped fragment here, anterior.
Anterolateral.
Yes, anterolateral. Yeah. Here also, this is laterally comminuted.
Right. Posteromedially also there's
Yes.
Yeah.
a separate one.
So much. I mean, the patient has just come out of this mess. Are we in a position to put so many plates or hardware, as my late boss used to say?
Make a cyber.
શું હતું સર આપણા JCT used to say લોખંડ બજાર નહીં, લોહાર ચાલ. That was his famous word, લોહાર ચાલ. So putting so much metal in this kind of a patient, 74 or something, would be dangerous. So here you will have to be more discreet in going theoretical. We had to, of course, fix the plate, but this is the steps which I've just shown here. Gave him axial traction. Plan was to put screws percute, and of course this was done before. I mean, put in 2 screws, get the tongue in place, and a medial plate with this medial approach. And this is what I did. This looks, I mean, it was looking bad, and I also was feeling bad. I did try to get a reasonable elevation there, but this was looking a shade bad, but it's the X-ray, trust me. This is 1 month post-op. This was after 2 months. This is 3 months post-op, 4 months, and this is 9 months. Patient is now, I mean, he was walking, and this is 6 years, just in, I think, 23, he came for a follow-up, luckily, and walking and doing very well. So what I'm trying to say is that every time you need not follow what has been propounded, see what is the condition of the skin, the overall status of the patient, the age of the patient, his demands. Okay? Because otherwise, in that kind of a skin, if I were to follow those principles, I would have disaster at hand. So every patient, try to tailor it to the patient's requirements and condition. And so my, sure sir.
Just one this thing. The tibia, in the so many years that I have seen, is a very, very forgiving bone. You can do a lot of malunions intra-articular also, and you will get away with it for a long time.
Especially
Patient will not get arthritis very quickly.
Yes.
Whereas the distal femur is a horrible bone.
Yes.
If you don't put your distal femur together, the patient knee will never move. Whereas the distal proximal tibia, you can do a lot of 2 millimeters here and there, articular surfaces also up and down, and 99 out of 100,
Yes.
there will be no problem at all, and you will not land up with an arthritis, you will require a replacement.
Especially
Whereas the femur is a very totally opposite bone.
Especially the lateral condyle is more forgiving vis-a-vis the medial condyle.
Tibia is very forgiving.
Yes.
Excellent result, no problem. Excellent
And
result.
take home messages, hurry, worry and chari. Chari is our knife. Okay, that makes bad curry. So be patient, wait and wait till you get the wrinkling sign. Please don't be in a hurry in these kind of patients. Plan your pin placement if you are considering an X-fix away from the definite surgery, so it does not cause a infection or any stress rises or comes in the way of your final planning. Watch for any signs of a compartment syndrome. Be very, very agile and be vigilant about it. Plan well, and with plan A, have plan B in place and even plan C, because sometimes intraoperative you may need to change your plans depending on what you encounter. And this is what this gentleman sent me. Sorry, I haven't covered his face, but it's a long video. I'm sorry. Sorry.